So once you finish your exploded view, you can see your exploded view feature in the configurations manager right under the configuration of which you made your exploded view. You can right click on it, collapse your exploded view, explode your exploded view, and even do an animated collapse or an animated explode to see how it's all going to go together. This video right here is very helpful for seeing how it all goes together, seeing if you're going to have any interference issues on assembly. If you wanted to, you can also edit the feature, and to simulate assembly properly, you can reorder your exploded steps by left clicking and dragging. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about making route lines for your exploded view, so that you can see lines that are going from one part to another to show how it's all going to go together. So to do that, you click on a command called explode line sketch, and this is right next to the exploded view command on the assembly tab of the command manager. So click on explode line sketch, and you'll see that this property manager is a lot simpler than the explode view property manager. We just have items to connect and a couple of options that are going to allow us to put some control on how our route lines look. So for the first one, let's do the inner diameter of this housing here, then the inner diameter of the worm gear, then the inner diameter of the side cover, and you just click on those cylindrical faces. The route line automatically goes in the middle. If you see you have a wrong direction on any of these arrows, like this one, just click it to flip the direction, and now it looks fine. When you're done with that route line, press the confirm button, and there's our route line showing how this thing is going to assemble. To do the next route line, like I'm going to do a route line for this socket head cap screw here, you're still in the route line command. So I'll click on this cylindrical surface, I'll click on this cylindrical surface, and then this cylindrical surface. By default, we have a route line that's going along the X, Y, and Z, but we very easily could uncheck the along XYZ option, and I need to adjust my exploded view distance a little bit, so I'm going to get out of here, edit my exploded view, let me collapse this really quick, and then go to edit feature. I just need to bring, I think it's step 2 out a little bit more, to like right there. There we go. And now I will go back to the explode line sketch, and I'll go for it again. That's this cylindrical surface, this cylindrical surface, and then this cylindrical surface. By default, it's along the X and Y, so I can uncheck that over in the property manager. Uncheck that, and that looks nice, right? Press the confirm button if I like what I see, and I'll do the same thing for the opposite one, and then that'll be all I do for these bolts. So I figure once I get 2 in there, I don't need to show the rest. That's pretty straightforward, right? And then you just do the same thing. You continue going until you're done with all of them. And you got to hit the confirm button in the route line whenever you finish a route line. See if I can see a difficult one here. Not seeing any difficult ones, so maybe I'll do this one and then I'll leave the rest to you. And that's how you do it. This is going to show how everything goes together.